If I have a series of entries that I've created that I now want to add to my site view tree, I can do this in bulk to save me having to do it one by one. In this case, I've been creating some content pages that cover things like our shipping policy, privacy policy, and terms and conditions. To add all of these entries to a site view node, I navigate to site view, use the tree to find the node that I want to add all of these entries to, select it, and using either the three dots or a right click, open the context menu. From here, I can choose Add Existing Entries, and this opens a dialog that lets me pick the entries that I want to choose to add to my About node. I can use the search to type in a keyword to bring back the entries that I want to find straight away, or I can use the content type filter to limit this to only content page entries, which just so happen to be the ones I want to add to my About node. I want to add all of these entries under my About node, so I'm going to select 5 of them, and then choose the Add 5 Entries button as soon as they're selected. Once this is done, those 5 nodes are created with the entries attached to them, and as you can see, they're all under my About node. So that's how you can add multiple entries to a site view section in Contensis.